Hey, what's up YouTube? It's ICU, and today I'm excited to say it is finally possible to be able to jailbreak the public version of iOS 11.4 as well as iOS 11.4.1. Now, for those of you who are subscribers, you may have recalled when I actually did a video a while back talking about jailbreak status update pages. I released two of them, one for a potential 11.4.x jailbreak and the other for an iOS 12 jailbreak. So if you had bookmarked those pages like suggested in that video, you'd know that there is a brand new update to the Electra jailbreak utility that now supports up to the public version of iOS 11.4.1 thanks to the inclusion of a new exploit. So if you want to be notified the second a new tool drops for iOS 12, of course, the corresponding page for that will be linked down below in the description, the second link. It's also on your screen now in the form of a card. Now, when we don't have a device running either iOS 11.4 or 11.4.1, we may push out a tutorial for you guys later, but just note that the steps are identical for jailbreaking with the past version of Electra for up to iOS 11.4 beta. So I will include a link down below in the description, the very first one, to our written tutorial that goes into depth. It also has a full video walkthrough there, so I highly recommend checking that out. Again, all download links and everything you need to be able to jailbreak up to iOS 11.4.1 can be found on that first link. Also, just a note, if you have an iPhone 5S or an iPhone 6 or 6 Plus, you might have to download the older version of Electra, and that, of course, will also be on the post below. So that wraps up this video. I hope you guys liked it. Just a quick announcement that it is now possible to jailbreak up to iOS 11.4.1 thanks to the inclusion of a newer exploit in Electra. So big shout out to Coolstar and the Electra team. Again, stay tuned for full jailbreak updates, tutorials, and everything else you guys need. And until next time, this is ICU signing out.